This partnership unites history and travel. I've never been anywhere history is not.
We archived over 2,000 pictures and videos from New Orleans' #1 attraction, the National World War II Museum. Join us for the venture. Enjoy the video. And here is our next exhibit. The National World War II Museum fully restored the Patrol Torpedo boat, otherwise known as the PT-305. But first, let's check out some history on it. Enjoy the video.
Her journey didn't start here. Her journey started 80 years ago. She's a World War II veteran, but she was restored right here in the Kushner Restoration Pavilion, so she's coming right back home where she was.
Really, since the beginning of the project in 2007, this is just a continuation of that journey, so we're approaching well over 10 years on that, so it's nice to see her back in here and have the future ahead of us.
It's great to think about how many more people are going to get to see her now, and she's going to be here protected, and we get to have her crew back together to do some work cleaning her up and get to share her with a lot of people.
Hundreds of thousands of people will be able to get up close, touch her, learn about her history. I think we all feel good. We think this is the appropriate and best way to preserve her and make her accessible to the public.
Well, she's going to continue to serve as a teaching tool and as an exhibit for people for years to come.
I think it's just going to be another great part of a museum visit that will be unexpected, and I think will wow our visitors.
Video credit, National World War II Museum. Follow the link in the description below for more information. The PT-305 exhibit honors the Mosquito Fleet, the fast, deadly patrol torpedo boats that punched far above their weight. A true New Orleans legend, this vessel was built by Higgins Industries and remains one of the few combat veteran PT boats in the world restored to operational glory. The exhibit follows PT-305's journey from Lake Pontchartrain to the Mediterranean, where it completed 77 missions and sank an enemy torpedo boat. After the war, it lived a second life as a Chesapeake Bay oyster boat before returning home for a massive, decade-long restoration. Today, it stands as a tribute to the plywood hussars and the industrial spirit of New Orleans.
Our content is free, so be sure to smash that like button.
Often called the heart of the Mosquito Fleet, the Packard IV M2500 was the mechanical muscle behind the U.S. Navy's legendary PT boats in World War II. This supercharged 1,200, 1,500 plus HP V12 gave the expendable plywood fleet the high-speed agility needed to harass heavy warships and vanish into the night. The German sound detector device, or RRH, was a passive acoustic radar used primarily during the early to mid years of World War II to locate enemy aircraft. The LVT-4 could comfortably carry 24 men or a small vehicle in its cargo hold. While the LVT family is most associated with the Pacific Theater, the LVT-4 saw most of its service in Northwest Europe. The U.S. Army was given just over 6,000 vehicles out of the 8,348 produced, while the British Army was given 500. Although they arrived too late to participate in the landings at Normandy, the British and Canadians made great use of them in the invasion of the Netherlands and the crossing of the Rhine River.
This partnership unites history and travel. I've never been anywhere history is not.